I think we've got to get that active data set into the aggregated memory, right? And so by aggregated memory, we essentially mean the total memory of the cluster, correct?
Right, right. And that's very hard to do because, first, DRAM is expensive, right? I mean, memory is kind of the most expensive thing in the server itself. And secondly, because you cannot fit, too much memory within a single server. Sometimes even you can't even reach the limit of the server itself because you're working on a cloud environment. So because of those reasons, what happens is you don't just scale the DRAM component itself, the memory. You actually go and scale the number of servers that you have in the cluster. And you don't do that for a particular point in time. You actually do that for the peak load that you have. So the active working set is dynamic, as the name suggests, and you basically need to cover that for the peak hour of your deployment.
So then, what you're doing is you're actually scaling, not because you have necessarily because you have you're running out of compute resources. You're scaling because you're running out of memory resources, and as a result, you're probably wasting compute resources, correct?
Right. So what a lot of users that we've seen do, they actually measure the latency, and then if they see that the latency degrades, they actually go and add servers, right? And not often do they go and actually reduce the number of servers back.